in the market, there are enough things to do.
Like what?
So, again, if I go back to financials is number one.
Okay.
This whole energy, renewable energy kind of is area number 2. The whole hard assets is area number 3. And in that, what else have I done recently? Let me think. So I have renewables. I have an airline stock, for example, believe it or not, that there is a, hopefully a revival in that as well. And number of these things, we have still years to catch up with China, and there's fear about execution and so on over here. So there's enough to do. I mean, from an individual investor perspective, there's enough to do. And it's not a market which is going to crash, and therefore you say, I want to sit on cash.
It's a hold market, basically.
It's a hold. I'd be very happy if we go sideways. Because remember, my underlying theory still is, at some point we have a melt up in India. So I just reiterate the horses that you know best. And again, the names I just mentioned in passing, I'm not meaning to recommend, and they are tiny parts. But I just say it's enough to do in the market rather than say, let me go and build 25% cash.
Absolutely. And in renewables, it's through financiers or?
No, not through financiers. You'll get enough over there. I mean, just look, there's enough. The whole power energy transition is still a big thing.
And anything else at all? I mean, any other any new sector?
It doesn't, listen, I don't have to go shopping every day. I'm a farmer. I plant the seeds and I wait for the crop to grow. It may take 3 years. The longer it takes, the better, because you get the underlying compounding. And I'm in no eagerness to harvest the crop. Because I have no need to harvest the money and take it elsewhere. I'm going to be here invested in India.
Next Diwali will be higher or lower?
Next Diwali, if we get double digits from the index, I would be surprised. I think at some point, and there are a lot of stocks. Even remember, we've spoken in the past about EMS. Some EMS stocks are down 40%. And it's not like the story is over there. Some of them are over 100 multiple. Some of them are not. So you get things over here.
But you're saying you'd be surprised if you get double digits.
If you get double digits from an index perspective, despite the large caps being the store of value today, is difficult. And that tells you what likely to happen in the small and mid as an index.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.